Hey everybody, this is Ray with Warrior Brothers Inc. I'm just going to share how to change a light bulb on the microwave. This is an old school microwave, so if you have this Hotpoint, that's what it is. One thing to determine if it's not working is you can go ahead and hit the on and off button. You can hear like the click. Alright, so it's not working. Go underneath here. And you can see that there is a screw. Get your screwdriver, let's cross, and unloosen it. Alright, just be careful, bear with me, I'm using one hand, so I'm gonna just carefully take this apart. Alright, cool. So you can see that there are two light bulbs in there. We're gonna do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so lefty-loosey. One and there's two. All right, you can get these at your local hardware store, in the electronics department, or you can just ask somebody for help. I believe this one is has a certain amount of watts. I believe this one's 25, but those are the old ones. Here are the new ones. Take these over here. All right, I believe these are 40, so they're gonna be brighter. Let's go ahead and put the first one in there, right there. Now we're gonna go right. Just be careful, don't do it too tight. You don't wanna break the glass and shatter everywhere, especially your fingers. First one's on there. Now we're gonna do the second one. All right, looks like it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this. All right. There is that. Screwdriver. Let's tighten that up. Good. You can see there's a little gap in there. So I'm gonna loosen it again. Make sure it's nice and tight. Ah, there we go. Now it's flat and level. Cool. So let's try it again. Let's hit the on button, and there you go. It's working. So that's how you change the light bulb for the microwave. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like and share. Have a good day.